Jehovah. How many? Why people fighting? What's the meaning of that? Why people fighting? What is going on here? What's going on here? Why do people fighting?
I beg. Give me the key. Let me separate them. I don't separate them. You don't agree.
Jesus!
Yeah!
Jesus!
Jehovah. How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Helping hands. Who send me work?
People they wicked.
And I borrow the cow. Come. Have this.
Thank you.
Yes, have it.
Thank you.
Of course, I will tell you all of you I will make it. This one is for cupcake.
The boss. Hello, Yasa.
Don't worry, don't need to do that. Come and take.
Hey.
Come and have this.
The boss now. After you, now you.
God is
Still you, now still you.
God is
you know man. Hello, yeah.
God is the ultimate.
Joy.
You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Glory be to God. I would like to scatter this road and redo it. I don't know. I'll talk to the government. One of these days. Come, Mr. Man, come. You look prominent. Have 3. Yes, have 3 of the notes. Have $100 notes.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, you can go.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, have a lovely and wonderful day. Keep it for your upkeep. You can come back for more. Money. Vivid imagination. Okay, shift that spanner off from that place. Sign.
Sisters, are you okay?
Yeah, we are fine.
You are sure you are fine?
Yes.
I don't hit anybody, oh.
No.
For your hands, need to go. Jehovah. Are you sure you are okay?
You're fine.
Are you playing? What type of playing?
Jehovah.
What happened?